Cryptocom Visa Card App. The pros, the cons. The Cryptocom Visa Card app is designed to let users spend cryptocurrency as easily as cash, while earning rewards. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a regular crypto card, but the surprising truth is that it combines spending, staking, and cashback rewards in one seamless platform. On the pro side, the app allows users to earn between 1% and 8% cashback on purchases depending on the tier of the card, with rewards paid in CRO tokens. It supports instant crypto to fiat conversion, so users can spend Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other supported coins anywhere Visa is accepted. The app also provides detailed spending tracking, budgeting tools, and the ability to lock or freeze your card instantly for security. Higher tier cards also include benefits like airport lounge access, Spotify, and Netflix rebates, and no annual fees. On a con side, rewards are higher when paid in CRO tokens, which may fluctuate in value. Some features require staking CRO for a period of time, which can lock up funds temporarily. Additionally, foreign transaction fees may apply in certain regions, and beginners may find the multi-tier system and staking requirements a bit complex at first. In conclusion, the Cryptocom Visa Card app is ideal for anyone looking to integrate crypto into daily spending while earning attractive rewards. While understanding staking requirements and token volatility is important, the convenience, benefits, and security features make it a strong choice for both casual users and crypto enthusiasts.